I was like, this is an absolute shithole. Hello, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my first vlog in a very long time, actually. I'm literally starting this at such a weird time, but I just really felt like talking to you. And to be honest, I wanted to do it last week, and I was actually not feeling too well Monday last week, and then I just kind of lingered for a bit, I don't know, my tummy just felt a bit funny, and then I just didn't really get around to doing it. Whereas I wanted to vlog this week, but then I also worked from home today. It's Monday the 22nd of September, and I worked from home today because I had a dentist appointment this morning. I work from home like once a week now, which is such a vibe. So much better than working fully remote like what I used to do. But yeah, it is Monday, it's 10 to 10. I walked into my bedroom and I was like, this is an absolute shithole, and I'm gonna feel like shit when I wake up to this, like tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready for work, because I felt like that this morning when I woke up to it, even though I wasn't getting ready for work. Like, I still felt like it because I still had to get ready, obviously, to go to my dentist appointment, because it was at like 8:45 this morning. And then after I finished work, I went and got my LVL lashes done. So you can see I've got lashes now, and they've got like a little bit of got a little bit of colour to them. We managed to do it so I can put a little bit of tint on without reacting, which is really good, because actually I'm surprised that worked. Like, she's done so well with that. And I want to sit and plan what I'm filming this week and make a plan just for the week in general. I just feel a little bit lost, and I feel like I haven't really been uploading as hardcore as what I was doing in August, because that was so much easier because it wasn't like face on camera. It was like just so much easier to manage. I've literally got such a huge spot there that keeps like coming back up, and I had one here that I picked and it's been a scab now for a couple of days. I'm actually going to get a spot sticker. I really like these Real Love ones because they're quite cheap and it does the job. It'd be a bit of a weird shape to put around my nose. Oh, actually it's going to work really, really well. That's so funny. Oh, it feels weird talking with that on there though. I don't know, I just feel like I'm all over at the play at the moment. Look, I can't just put words out. I feel like I'm all over and I'm not enjoying the feeling of that. I'm really not. So let's try and plan. So originally I had this really cool idea of what I wanted to do as a theme throughout October. So I was like really excited to do that, but it meant me doing some other videos first to be able to do that. And I'm not going to have a chance to put them up because I'll literally end up burning myself out. And I'm enjoying YouTube at the moment. I don't want to ruin this when it's going so well and I'm enjoying it so much. I also did try and film a tutorial the other day, and with this new little lighting setup that I hacked, one of the lights, like the wire wasn't working. I thought it was the light at first, and I thought, oh, I don't have the money to buy in lights. I've got so much things that I need to pay off at the moment. But then I tried the other wire in it and it still worked. So it's just the wire. So thank God that was only, still I didn't want to pay £11 for a new wire, but at least it wasn't £70 for new lights. You know what I mean? So that came Saturday before I went out, drinking with my mum, and went to see like a burlesque show. It was such a vibe. That came, so now I have my lighting set up. So I'm thinking, let's make a plan. For me, it's very time consuming and very draining filming back-to-back YouTube videos and like just constantly filming like tutorials, should I say, because it's just too much. It's too draining, takes a lot of energy, and sometimes I just don't want to sit and put makeup on. I just can't be arsed. So I want to try and space out like reviews with other videos, but I don't want the other videos to be boring. I'm trying to think of other things to do to fill them gaps. It's very hard because I don't think it's going to work me uploading one video a week anymore, like what my plan was, because I just don't think that's often enough. I'm thinking tomorrow I might film stash or trash video, which you will have heard of by now, I'm assuming, depending when this vlog goes live. But I'm basically going to be doing 3 to 4 episodes of a series called Stash or Trash. And this is when we're going to go through my pink trolley of all the things that I put to one side when I was decluttering my makeup collection, where I was like, I want to revisit this one more time. So what I'm going to be doing with that is picking things from the trolley, testing it out in one video, and we'll work out whether it goes back in the stash or whether it goes in the trash. The only way it's going to go in the trash if it's out of date and it's minging. Anything else, it'll go to somebody else. Like, it'll go to family, friends, whatever. So it won't actually go in the trash, but stash or trash just sounds good, doesn't it? Thank you, ChatGPT, my best friend. I want to film episode 1 of that. And then when I'll have my makeup on, that's when I'll be like already in the mood to film by that point. So whilst I'm at it, I'm going to film a makeup haul. I think that should be, I'm going to put empties ? Because that would be a dream to film 3, but I might be pushing myself because I also need to put one of these videos on Wednesday, which I think I might do the makeup haul so I have more time to edit the stash or trash for the Friday. I don't know. Hurting my own head here. So I do makeup haul, stash or trash there. I just want to make sure that I want to try to do it so that I have a gap of like a normal type video in between, so that it's not just all like reviews, because I'm just conscious that I've got so many reviews that I want to film. I don't want to lose that momentum with that. So I've put all of these in the order of what the requests were, because I have so many things to do. So I have, obviously, you've got to think I've got 3 to 4 stash or trash videos to do, and then I also have Rimmel, a Revolution video, high-end testing video, beauty crop collection, Pixie, Primark, Studio London, and then we also need to be doing Organise my makeup. I don't know what I do. I don't know whether to start. I can start Organise my makeup stuff once we finish the stash or trashes. So maybe I can start putting them in between the testing videos, but I just don't know how to organise, like how to do my Organise my collection like video. I don't know whether that's going to be a big video. I don't know if I'm going to split that. Oh, that reminds me, actually, I'm going to be filming a Q&A. Oh, I also need to put this vlog up as well. That's a good point. If you're watching this vlog, please leave some questions down below for me to do a Q&A, because I think you'll see this, well, I'm pretty sure you'll see this before you see the Q&A video, which you'll see, I'll film it after this vlog goes up. So please let me know what kind of questions you have, whether it's personal, whether it's like about my YouTube and stuff like that, or anything about my career really, because obviously a lot of you know that I work in marketing now, but I used to be a mental health therapist. I used to be like a low intensity cognitive behavioural therapist. So any questions about that? I'm just trying to make a plan. This is just a random notebook, but I'm just trying to make a plan of how I want to reorganise my Alex drawers, because then I think then I'll be able to work out how many videos it's going to take me. Because like for my lipstick drawer, I just want that to stay the same, but I did get some of them clear, what they're called, the clear lids. Like I said, I've got so much in my brain. I've got so much work on, like work-wise at the moment as well. Like I did a work to-do list this morning and I was like, that's overwhelming. But then also I just don't really know what's going on my YouTube, so I just feel a bit like flustered and just a bit lost really. So the second drawer is face palettes. I wouldn't mind putting them with like blushes and bronzers and stuff. I think I've made a list of how I'm going to organise my drawers. So the bottom drawer, which is the nightmare to open, that's just going to be my skincare overflow. Then the next big drawer up, I'm thinking putting foundations and primers together, because that's always a step that go obviously side by side. Then the next big drawer up from that, I'm thinking, which I've never done before, liquid bronzer, concealer, liquid blusher, because I only wrote 5 of them anyway, and powder in one drawer, because that makes sense, because I would do all the liquid stuff together and then I'd always set my concealer first and then set the rest of my face. It's like, that just makes so much sense. Then the next big drawer up from that, blusher, like powder blusher, powder bronzer, and then any face palettes that are like blusher and bronzery stuff, that kind of vibe. And then we're going into like the skinnier drawers. So I'm moving up to a skinny drawer, thinking highlighters and then any highlighter palettes, but I don't think I really have any. Like only some little ones, not like big palettes, like the first ones that I've got. Then I'm thinking the next little drawer will do brows, mascara and setting sprays, because they'll all fit into a drawer together very easily. But then it means I've got 2 skinny drawers left before I get to the top drawer, which is still going to be lipsticks, because that's my favourite little drawer. That'll stay the same. And then I was thinking of putting my lip liners in the Alex drawers. It's like they're laid out flat. And I'm thinking when I organise the highlighters and blushes, I want them to be like in some kind of colour order. So I know like if I want a peachy blush, go to this section. If I want a pink blush, go to this section. So I'm not like opening and closing loads of stuff trying to find the vibe that I'm looking for. But I'm still left with 2 skinny drawers, and I'm like, what do I put in them drawers? Or do I just leave them drawers ready to add more stuff to my collection? Because obviously this is based off the stuff that I have now, not the stuff that's in my shop, my stash trolley thing. More things might get put in here and the system might not work anymore. But that's what the vibe I'm going for. But I'm still gonna have like 2 skinny drawers left. I do have like these like tubs of eyeshadow brushes that I obviously don't reach for very often. I could maybe put them in one of the skinny drawers. I do that because like that's not very practical in that drawer. This is just such a weird revelation for me, because I'm not used to having too much storage and not enough things to put in it. because I'm a hoarder. So this is very strange, very, very strange situation. I have like a skinny drawer that has like my toothbrush, my shower stuff, like all the things that I'm using currently. And I wouldn't mind moving that, but I don't know. This is going to be such a weird one. I feel like I can't really suss it out fully until I really like organise my stash or trash little series. But I think that sounds good. That sounds like a plan for now. But yeah, I realised I've probably blabbed on for so long in this video, and this is meant to be a weekly vlog. So I'm going to cut it off for today. It's now 11 o'clock at night. I think I kind of have a plan. I think tomorrow night, tomorrow night I'm doing Stash or Trash episode 1, a makeup haul, and then depending on how I'm feeling, I'll do an empties. That sounds like a plan. And then that's got me covered for the next 3 days, including this vlog. Like the next 3 uploads, including this vlog. And then I can film more at the weekend. Let me see what plans I have. Because sometimes this is what I do. Think, oh, I'll film on so-and-so day, which is what I did last week. Film on Monday. Then I was like, oh, it's Blake's birthday. We're all going to have a takeaway together. Blah, spend time together. So can't do it on Monday. And then I got to Tuesday and I was like, well, I can't do Tuesday because I've got a hair appointment at 5:30 and that won't finish till after o'clock. So that's not going to happen. And then I was like, well, Wednesday I can't film and upload the same day. That's too stressful. And then Thursday I went back to the hairdressers. I had a lash patch test, and I also went to Stokesy Fair. So I was like, that's not happening. Friday I was like, I'm knackered, I'm sick of socialising, I don't want to do anything. And then Saturday I had a nail appointment, and then my nail appointment was at 10 to 2, and then I also had to come back, get ready and go to a burlesque show, and then I went out drinking afterwards with my mum. And then yesterday, Sunday, I woke up, I had no hangover. Love you, baby Jesus. And then obviously tonight, I've had dentist before work, and then my lashes after work, and then we had a takeaway. And that's 2 Mondays in a row I've had a takeaway. I've been trying to do 1 takeaway a week. One of my things that I need to sort out this week is also the loads of parcels to send back. Shein, Boohoo, and then River Island. And I also have a Primark top that I need to take back as well. So one night this week, I might go to Teesside Park. Tomorrow I'll film. Wednesday I'll need to edit, ready to get one of the videos up for Wednesday night. So Thursday I've got a Teesside Park, but I haven't actually got any plans this weekend, which is really good. So this weekend I haven't got any plans, but next weekend I'm in London, Saturday and Sunday for a bridal beauty event with work, which is really exciting. My first work event. So that's really good. So we'll go on the Saturday, set up, and then the event's on the Sunday, which is really exciting. And then I'll literally come back late that Sunday night, pack and everything, and then I go to Butlins the next day for 5 days with Blake, his brother's wife, and their baby. So that'll be really exciting. There's so many things I'm trying to sort out at the moment. Like my head's just absolutely fried. We've got Laura's hen do, got Laura's wedding, this is my best friend, got Laura's wedding in Italy, got her birthday, my dad's birthday, we've got Butlins. I'm going to Benidorm at the end of this year with my mum and Millie, so that needs paying off by the middle of next month as well. November, me and Blake are going to Spain because he's doing a motorbike race in Spain. There's a lot going on. Oh, I've also got an awards evening at work in November as well. I need to get a ball gowny thing for that. And obviously then after November, then it goes into December, and then in December it's my birthday. And then I might be going away for my birthday. I'm not too sure yet. Whether we're going to Edinburgh, we might just go to Manchester for a night. I don't know yet. And then obviously I go on holiday. I literally go on holiday Sunday the 28th of December for a week, come back the 4th of Jan, and then I go back to work on the 5th. I've got a busy few months. That's why I've been buying a lot of clothes, because I've been trying to find. I've obviously lost 3 stone now. Well, I say obviously you don't know that, but I've lost 3 stone now. I'm just struggling. I'll show you what this jumper. This is probably going to end up being a full vlog by itself just tonight, isn't it? Jesus Christ! Look at the state of this. This jumper is absolutely huge on me. Which is so annoying because I only bought this last winter. So yeah, I've been trying to get some more clothes and ones that fit me, and yeah. I feel like this is a little midnight ramble. I might actually upload this as Wednesday's video, so if you're watching this on Wednesday, please let me know what kind of video do you want me to do, because your girl is trying. Just looking around my room thinking I didn't actually tidy up as much as I really wanted to tonight. What are you gonna do? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to my midnight rambles. Love you so much. Please leave questions for me to do a Q&A. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Peace out.